Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix if Chrome opening Bing search in place of Google. If you try to open Google Chrome and it's opening Bing search in place of Google, for example, we will try to open Google Chrome and it will open Bing search. You can see Microsoft Bing search engine set as default search engine. So how to fix this issue? In this video, we will see how to fix this issue and how to change this, how to remove Bing search engine, launch Google Chrome browser, and here click on three vertical dot against top right corner. Launch Google Chrome and here click on three vertical dot against top right corner. Thereafter choose settings. Here click on three horizontal line against top left corner and here scroll down and choose search engine from the left side of menu. Here you can see Microsoft Bing is set as default search engine. So simply click on disable and you can see Google is set as default search engine. Also, you may remove other search engine from your Google search. Click on three vertical dot against each and simply disable it or delete it. Other search engine will be deleted. So keep only Google default in your search engine list and Bing search is now successfully removed from Google search engine. Now we will try to open Google Chrome and you can see Bing search is removed and Google is still opening. That's all.